PSG want Paul Pogba, Shaw, Bruno and even Ole in line for new contracts. Varane personal terms agreed and Fred plays brilliantly in the Copa America. That and much more coming up. I am Dr. Pathik Desai and you're watching Dr. Man United. Following a brilliant season with Man United, Luke Shaw continued his fine form with the England team in the Euros. Though his current salary isn't that bad, he's said to be given a salary hike. Same with Bruno Fernandes, he's reportedly earning around 100k per week at United and his new contract will have wages of around 200k. That's a big bump and Bruno deserves it. Talking about contracts, United recently agreed contract extensions with Juan Mata and Lee Grant for 1 year each. Also, Tom Heaton signed for Manchester United from Aston Villa on a free and he has signed a 2-year deal with an option for a 3rd year. And even Jadon Sancho's signing was made official by Man United. In the transfer news is that United are getting closer and closer with the Varane deal. The problem is dealing with Real Madrid. United are considering submitting a bid of around 50 million euros for Rafael Varane, but Real Madrid don't really want to lose Rafael Varane because if they do that, they'll lose their entire centre-back pairing in the form of Ramos and Varane. So even if they are going to lose him, they want at least 55 to 60 million euros for him. If United fail to agree a transfer fee with Real Madrid for Rafael Varane, we have been looking at Jules Koundé from Sevilla and Villarreal's Pau Torres. Declan Rice has told West Ham United that he wants to be informed if any important bid comes in for him. West Ham United have slapped an £80 million price tag on Declan Rice. But that doesn't seem to be very realistic. £60 million is what Man United and even Man City are willing to pay. Even Chelsea are in the hunt for Declan Rice. Let's see what happens in the race for Declan Rice. Talking about midfielders, the current situation with United is that United are in for Kamavinga and a serious bid will be registered in the coming weeks. PSG and Real Madrid are also in the race for Kamavinga. In case of PSG, they would rather wait a year and sign him on a free. Even the player wants to stay in France, but he will definitely not be willing to sign a contract extension with Rennes. And Rennes wouldn't want to lose him on a free, so United do have a chance to sign him up this window. And the reported fee that Rennes want is around 40 million euros. And I think for a player of that caliber, the fee is pretty reasonable. Though Fred has been playing superbly at the Copa America, I still think that we do need a proper defensive midfielder to set up in a way in which we can unlock teams which set up in a low block. Talking about midfielders, Paul Pogba has been linked with PSG and he is reportedly interested in the project which they are developing. They have officially announced the signing of Wijnaldum, Ramos and Hakimi, and the signing of Donnarumma will be completed in the coming days, and Paul Pogba is apparently impressed with the way they are doing business. He will be open to a move to the French capital. On talks of a right back, Atletico want around 40 million euros for the right back Kieran Trippier, but Man United are only willing to go at 20 million euros for a backup right back. So that deal is at a deadlock currently. Talking about right backs, Dalot's agents are in constant contact with AC Milan regarding a permanent switch this summer. Real Madrid are also quoted to be interested in the move for Diogo Dalot. In other news is that the Germany international Toni Kroos has retired from the international game. According to me, he should be considered a modern great. He has retired from the international football scene to focus on his club career with Real Madrid. Grealish could be heading to Man City. A player which we were linked with, that is Andre Silva, has completed his move from Frankfurt to RB Leipzig. Regarding Man United, Ole will decide whether to loan the academy stars or to keep him in around the first team setup after giving them a watch in the pre-season. Talking about academy players, I am going to start a brand new series known as Academy Review. So stay tuned to my channel and do press the bell icon to stay notified when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching the video. I am Dr. Pathik Desai and you have been watching Dr. Man United. Cheers. Until next time.